and welcome to today's video. So, as of yesterday, I finished my psychology degree. I had my last exam and it's taken me 5 years overall. I took 2 years out, and for the final semester I've been still inpatient in a mental health hospital. So that has been very testing, and I just wanted to celebrate how I've done it and talk a bit about what my plans are for after. So I'm still in hospital. I am due to get discharged probably beginning of July. I'll have been in for 2 years, nearly 2 years, 8 months at that point, and hopefully soon I'll be taking off my section. So I really enjoyed my degree. I've done a psychology undergrad at the University of Manchester, and I have enjoyed it. I've learnt a lot. As someone who has a lot of academic validation, I am a bit worried about my results because I want to do the best that I can, but I do also need to remember that I've had a very tricky time and I've not done uni in the circumstances that most people end up doing them in. So yeah, I'm really pleased that I've done it. It feels really surreal because I was always like, oh well, I've got my dissertation to do, then oh I've got 2 exams, or I've got an exam, and now I've done those exams. I handed in my dissertation in April and my dissertation diary series sort of flopped because, to be honest, I was working on my dissertation every day, even if just for half an hour or so, from like November till end of April when it was due, so I couldn't really film it all. But yeah, so I'm just going to tell you. So my dissertation was on the effect of consequences and run length and how they shape the gambler's fallacy, and we ended up doing the Squid Game bridge task in virtual reality as one of the experiments. So that was really cool, and I watched Squid Game and I really liked it, and I thought that made the topic quite interesting because, well, Squid Game's quite fun, isn't it? So that was what my dissertation was on. I did, for my final semester, I did psychology in the real world as a module and clinical psychology. I don't want to be a clinical psychologist. Actually though, during the lectures I don't know why I said lectures, so weird. During the lectures we did about neuropsychology and neuropsychological assessments, and that was something that I found really interesting. So if I did do a master's, I might look at doing that. I've started in April some acting classes, and I'd quite like to hopefully get an agent at some point. I'd like to go on holiday. I'd like to maybe work in a kids club, whether that be abroad or not. If I did a master's, I wouldn't be doing one straight away. I need to get settled back into real life, but maybe I'd do one in Australia or use that as a way to travel, as well as do more education. I'd really like to continue YouTube. I've been very quiet on it, but that's because I haven't really had much to film, but I've got a few exciting opportunities coming up, which I'll be able to film bits about. So yeah, really, I just wanted to share that I'm done. I'm officially a first generation university graduate. So I will obviously be filming my results, which I get on the 2nd of July, and my graduation, which is the 10th of July, and I will very happily take you all along for that journey. So for the people that have been here since I gave all my A-level advice, the people who have watched me go through uni, I just want to say thank you, as your comments have been really nice and supportive, and it's been a real nice journey to take everyone on. In terms of like my mental health, I am doing a lot better. I had a bit of a blip this week, but that's probably expected. But yeah, so I will be making a video about the reality of being inpatient and then shutting that chapter on my life, because I have a lot more things that I want to move on to that I need to be out of hospital for. So yeah, my graduation plans, or like my plans after uni, are not set in stone yet. If you're wondering where the pink hair's gone, by the way, it is coming back. I just haven't been home to do it. But yeah, so I would look at masters. I want to get a job. The job that I wanted won't say they've got no places to take me, but I sort of know that's not true. I think there's a bit of I think there's more going on to it than that. But anyway, so I am looking for a job. I would like a summer job. I'm not ready to go into a full-time job. I did want to look at doing like data analysis and stuff like that, because I think that's quite interesting. So yeah, I've got a lot of different things that I want to explore, and yeah, I've got the time to do it. So yeah, this is just a really quick video. It's actually going to be 3 minutes if that. But it's just an update to say that I've actually got a degree, which is mad, and that hopefully there will be more content coming your way. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and if any of you are in a similar situation, finishing your degree or about to start your degree, then I hope you enjoy it and that you celebrate once it's over, because it is a very big achievement. So yeah, thank you. Bye.